Hi guys, welcome back to my video. In this video, I will talk about the GRE channel. You know, the VPN can be used to connect to separate local network over the internet. For example, we have two branch office that are far apart, set A and set B. And the site B branch office has a resource server that is commonly used for management the entire office network. We want the local network at site A to be able to communicate with the local network at site B. Via what? Via the internet. Then that's the problem can be solved using this VPN technique. How it works? Boot router will make a tunnel to be able to communicate. The simplest tunnel ever can be used is the GRE tunnel. So here we go. I have simple topology here. Site A. This is site A, and this is site B. Okay. We want to communicate between this site okay, for example, this is for okay, and the IP for this router is here 10.1 and this 0.2 and this 20.1 and this 20.2. Okay, and we want to make a private network VPN for GRE tunnel in this way. So we not pass packet from this way, but we won't make a private network VPN GRE tunnel. So the package usually walk away from this and to router 1, and from the router 1 to router 2, and from the router 2 to router 3. But we want to be able to communicate between site A and site B from the internet or the private network. So we have private network here, and this private network communicate inside internet. Okay, here we go. Here GRE tunnel. And this IP, this interface connected with the router 2 is 12.2, and this 12.1, and this 23.1, and this 23.2. Okay then. So first of all, you should to make sure put on the router and put the IP address from its interface. Okay, we start from the router 1. We go to the CLA, no, enable config. Then we get in the interface fast Ethernet 0/0, and we no shutdown, or we put on the router, then we put the IP address 10.1.1, and the subnet mask is 255.0. okay, then we move to the interface 0/1, no shutdown, then we get the IP address 12.1, no, 0.2. The subnet mask is 255.0. okay, we exit. Then we move to the router 2, CLA, no, enable configure terminal. Then we get in the interface 0/0, no shutdown. IP address is 12.12.12.1. The subnet mask is same. Then we move to the interface 0/1. We no shutdown. We put the IP address is 23.1, 255.0. okay, we exit. Then we move to the site B, CLA, no, enable configure terminal, interface 0/0, no shutdown. IP address is 23.23.2, 255.0. we move to the interface 0/1, no shutdown. IP address is 20.20.20.1. okay, now we put a IP address from the computer. We move to the desktop, IP configuration, then IPv4 is 10.10.2. okay, the subnet mask is 255.255.0. the default gateway is 10.1. okay, now computer B 20.2, 255.0, default gateway 20.1. okay, then now make sure the two branch router can communicate with each other with their IP, public IP. Default route setting on the Jakarta router and the Surabaya router. okay, the Jakarta, the Surabaya router. IP route 0/0/0, and the default gateway is 12.12.12.1. This is gateway. This is a gateway for this router. okay, enter. Then Jakarta site B, we exit. Then IP route 0/0/0, the subnet mask same 000. Then default gateway is 23.1. Okay, now make sure this router can connect with Jakarta or site B to ping 12.2. Okay, 3, 4, 5 or 60%. We try again. Okay, 5, 4, 5, 5 from 5. Okay, okay, now we want to make a private network from site A and site B. We want to pass the package from this VPN. Okay, the VPN have a IP address, so we should to make a channel, GRE channel, and the IP address. The IP address from this site is 11.11.1. .2. Okay, like this. Alright, so we start from the router interface tunnel 0. Okay, then tunnel source. The source is interface connected with the router 2. The source is connected with the router 2 is the fast Ethernet 0.0/1 on the tunnel destination. The destination we put the IP public router site, other side is site B. The public IP is 23.2. Okay, then we put the IP address from this tunnel 0.1, and the subnet mask is 255.252. Okay, now we configure for the site B interface tunnel 0, then tunnel source 0/0, tunnel destination 12.12.2, then IP 11.2. The subnet mask is 255.252. Okay, now we make sure the site B can be able communicate with the site A from where the tunnel to ping 11.11.1. Waiting for a minute. Okay, not yet. 3, 4, 5, 6, 60%. We try again. Okay, 5, 4, 5. Okay, the IP from the GRE tunnel can be able to communicate with uh, with between two router. Now, if we check or test ping from the computer, it cannot be able to communicate with the IP tunnel, or we want to ping 20.20.20.2, right? It cannot be able to communicate request timeout. Okay, okay. To connect the two computer, we should to put the static root to its local network or from this computer. In order to local network to communicate with each other, create a static route to the local network between sites. We start from the site A, and the site A IP route 20.20.20, the network for the site B, and the subnet mask is 255.0, and the gateway we want to this package pass away from the GRE tunnel, and the default gateway for the set A is 11.11.2, and for set B default gateway is 11.1.2. Okay, now set B exit, then IP route 10.10.0 and the default gateway 0.1. Okay, okay, now we try again for the ping between two computers. Okay, it's success, right? From once request timeout, but after that we get reply from the 20.2. Now from the 20.2 to the 10.2. Okay, reply. If we trace the package, the package is pass away from the GRE tunnel, not from router 2, because the default gateway we direct to the GRE tunnel, not the router 2. Okay, we trace route. And not comment. Tracer. Okay, this you can see this. If we trace from the 20.2 to the 10.2, this package walk away from 11.1. This not from the router 2 because the default gateway we set for the GRE tunnel, and the GRE tunnel don't have a cable or something. The package can be communicated from internet or VPN, virtual private network. Okay, thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you can understand what I say. If you have a question, you can comment in comment in comment box below. So see you in the next video.